firstly, what you have to do is just simply open Upwork by searching it on Google or any other browser, and just simply create an account. So click on sign up, and then over here just simply choose I am a client hiring for a project. So make sure to choose this option because it's important, because if you will choose this one, the Upwork platform will recognize you as a freelancer worker, not as a client. So you need to choose this one over here. Then just simply choose join as client, and now just simply complete the sign up process as you can see right over here, or you can always use Apple or Google. So it's totally up to you. And after doing the sign up process, just simply log into the platform. So after logging for the first time, you will have a dashboard something like this over here, and right over here you can start a project and you can hire freelancers. So let me show you how to do that. All you need to do is click on post a job. Now over here just simply choose what type of job you want, a long term or a short term. Depending on that, choose your option and click on continue. Now, after you have done that, enter your job title. After doing that, you will find few recommendations as a category down below. Now, you can choose any one of them, but if you need anything specific, just simply click on see all categories, and then just simply find your desired category, whatever you're looking for, right over here. So I'm going to choose a random one over here because I need a video editor. So I'm going to choose this one over here. Then after choosing your category, click on skills. Now over here, just simply add the desired skill that you want the freelancer to have. So for me, it's going to be blog writing, video editing, content writing, and English. Now you can always get more skills by clicking on the see all option, and multiple skills will appear. You can also add more skills by clicking on the drop down box right over here, and just simply see which one you want to add, as you can see right over here. So after you have added your skills that you want the freelancer to have, click on next. And now just simply add an approximate date for how long you think the project will last. Then just simply choose the experience level that your freelancer should have. And after that, just simply choose if this job that you are posting is a contract for an opportunity or not. So if it is not, just simply choose no. Then enter your budget. Now over here, you have to choose how the freelancer will get paid, an hourly rate or fixed price. It's totally up to you. And over here, just simply enter your estimated budget, and then just simply click on next. And right over here, just simply add your description that you want the freelancer to know before applying for your job. So after writing the entire description, you can attach some files if you want to, and after that click on review job post. Now over here, there are a few settings that you can play around with. Like for example, you can add some screening questions that you want the freelancer to answer before applying for your job. And after that, the advanced preference. Over here, you can choose a lot of options like what type of language that they have to speak, the time requirement, the location from where you want the talent to be, the hiring date for how long the job will be posted, and over here you can do the setting that where your job should be visible, on the platform or off the platform as well. Now after you have done all of that, just simply click on post this job, and then within a few minutes a lot of freelancers will apply for your job after reading all the description. Now after posting the job, you will find few recommendations that are most likely to be related to the niche that you are looking for. So you can always invite to the job if you want to, or just simply wait around and you will receive proposals on the view proposals panel. And after freelancers have applied for your job, you can chat with them, and then if you like it, you can hire them directly from the platform. So that's it. And if you would like to join Upwork, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.